Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you the ARCEFIRE v.3. Version 1 and 2 had some fatal flaws like overheating. So now let's see what makes this work. This is the ZVC driver. I'll put the link in description where to buy it. Do you remember my old Tesla coil project? I'll put the link in description for that video too. And this is the big Tesla coil from that video. And this is made from these wires, normal 230 wires, made with those. There are total 10 centimeter center tap that's going to this center tap, 5 turns on each side, and it's all getting powered by my power supply. I run it at 30 volts. It draws about 1.8 amps constantly. It rises a bit because of these things heating up. Wait. It draws 1.8 amps when it's not running or arcing. When it's arcing, it draws like 5 amps or so because of the resistance, and these wires don't heat up and these do. Weird, right? Now let's get on to testing it. How it arcs and stuff. I lost V1 coil, primary coil, but I have V2's one. The problem with V1's was it was made out of plastic bottles like this plastic bottle. It melted and it was like an octagon more than a circle. It became octagon. So then I moved on to this one. This one was okay, but it had a minor issue called overheating and burning down the wires. Yes, this thing overheated way more than this. And that one was run by this coil. So if you want how to build this, if I get 100 likes, I'll show you how to build this. Yeah, bye guys.